Are you ready to transform your living room into a stylish, cozy haven? From modern elegance to rustic charm, the perfect coffee table can completely change the vibe of your space. But with thousands of options out there, how do you find the one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the top 7 coffee tables on Amazon that will elevate your living room without breaking the bank. Stick around because your dream coffee table might just be a click away. Let's get started.
Meet the Yahitech Lift Top Coffee Table, your living room's new superhero. Lift Top design transforms from coffee table to workspace with a gentle lift. Heavy-duty metal mechanism, smoother than a penguin on ice. Solid construction, sturdier than a sumo wrestler in a steel cage match. Hidden storage, keeps your clutter more hidden than a ninja in the night. Open shelf, perfect for books, snacks, or your secret candy stash. Multifunctional dining table, desk, or coffee table, it's a triple threat. Ideal for small spaces, like a magician, it makes space appear out of nowhere. Hassle-free assembly, easier than assembling a 3-piece jigsaw puzzle. Water-resistant veneer, laughs in the face of spills and splashes. Scratch-resistant, tougher than a cat's favorite scratching post. Yahitech Lift Top Coffee Table, where style meets functionality with a wink. Meet the VASAGLE Round Coffee Table, your living room's new best friend. 2-tier design, more space for your stuff than a kangaroo's pouch. 31.5 inches of circular charm standing at a proud 17.7 inches high. Built strong, holds up to 66 lbs like a tiny furniture bodybuilder. Assembly so easy, even a sloth could do it in 20 minutes. Modern look, blends with decor like a chameleon at a paint store. 5 colors, more options than a rainbow on a caffeine high. Easy to clean, just a cloth away from spotless perfection. Lower shelf, perfect for books, remotes, or your cat's secret lair. Floor-friendly pads, kind to your floors, unlike your tap-dancing cousin. Ideal for style-conscious homeowners seeking elegance and practicality. VASAGLE Coffee Table, where style meets function in perfect harmony. Meet the Best Choice Products 44-in Coffee Table, your home's new superstar. This table's got a 0.5-inch edge, perfect for taming runaway mugs. 2-tier design means more room for your secret snack stash. With a 90 lbs weight capacity, it can handle your heaviest decor dilemmas. MDF wood top and steel frame, like a bodybuilder in a tuxedo. 44 inches long, 22 inches wide, 17-25 inches tall, size matters. Industrial charm meets modern style, it's like a hipster's dream table. Assembly required, but hey, who doesn't love a good DIY adventure? Perfect for residential use, sorry, office dwellers, this one's for homebodies. Ideal for toys, blankets, and anything else you can hide from guests. Wood grain finish so realistic, even trees are jealous. Get yours today because your living room deserves a glow-up. Meet the Best Choice 44-in Modern Coffee Table, your room's new MVP. It's like a runway model with a 2-tier design and industrial flair. At 44 inches long, it's larger than life, like your favorite blockbuster. The 1.5-inch thick tabletop holds up to 60 lbs, more than your cat. Below, a sturdy mesh shelf carries 26 lbs, perfect for snacks or secrets. Crafted from MDF and steel, it's tougher than your in-laws' opinions. Assembly required, but don't worry, instructions are clearer than your GPS. Open design means no visual clutter, just like a minimalist's dream. Use it as a coffee table or end table, it's a multitasking wizard. Enhance your living space with style, function, and a dash of elegance. Perfect for organizing books, toys, or even your existential thoughts. Get ready for compliments because this table is a showstopper. Meet the Roland Star Coffee Table, your new living room superhero. Lift top design saves your back from sofa slouching struggle. Hidden compartment, the secret lair for your clutter villains. 2 drawers and an open shelf, storage galore, no more floor. Sturdy as a rock concert, holds up to 100 lbs of fun. Assembly so easy, even your cat could help in 30 minutes. Waterproof, heat-resistant, dust-free, a table that laughs at messes. Retro industrial style because your living room deserves a glow-up. Eco-friendly wood, certified safe for humans and houseplants alike. Packed with care, arrives like a gift from the furniture god. Ideal for work, meals, or chess battles with your cat. Roland Star, where style meets functionality and your living room wins. Meet the Amazon Basics Lift Top Coffee Table, your new living room hero. It's not just a table, it's a transformer for your space. Lift top design, perfect for dining, working, or hiding snacks. Sleek black finish fits any decor from modern to classic. Hidden storage, because who doesn't love a secret compartment? Sturdy wooden construction ensures it survives even the wildest game nights. Open shelves below for books, decor, or your cat's new favorite spot. Compact size, 40x18x, 19 inches, yet packs a punch in functionality. Weighs 39 pounds, but don't worry, it won't ghost you. backed by a 1-year warranty because confidence is key. Perfect for style-conscious homeowners and tech-savvy users alike. Elevate your living space with practicality and style. Meet the OKD Modern Luxury Fluted Coffee Table. Elegance meets functionality. Sleek 48 oval design, perfect for stylish and modern living rooms. Faux marble top looks expensive, but your wallet won't scream. Distinctive fluted panels like a tuxedo for your coffee table. Gold metal legs, because your table deserves to feel fancy too. Concealed handle drawer, hide your clutter, reveal your style. Supports up to 150 low Bs, strong enough for your coffee and existential dread. Smooth sliding rails, drawers that glide like a figure skater. Ships in sturdy packaging because nobody likes a jigsaw puzzle delivery. Clear instructions included, even your cat could assemble it. Almost. Reach out anytime. Our service team is friendlier than your neighbor's dog. Upgrade your living room with OKD, where luxury meets practicality.
There you have it, the top 7 floating shelves that can take your home decor to the next level. Which one will you add to your space? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We'd love to hear. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.